All right, chat. I'm ready. How y'all doing? Just hang on. Let me do a little wow. Can't even do that. All right. All right, chat. Just give me one more minute, all right? Like I say, I'm a busy guy. All right. What can I say? Chat. And you wanna know what's crazy? Cause I don't understand it too. It's like when I'm getting ready, why does it take long? I don't. Like it's been 5 minutes. Still not ready yet. Well, I'm ready, but I'm not ready. That makes sense. All right. Let me all right. Ooh, okay. We back. We back. All right, just hold on. Let me do a little tweaks. Y'all know it. I already know. All right. And what's even more crazy is look, it looks it looks like the quality don't look too good on the device. I don't understand it. It's just weird because you know how it is. They just trying to make you pay for the money. What I mean by that is, look, this laptop is a 1080, right? But it's only showing 720 because they could. I don't even know how I'm trying to explain to y'all, but it's 720 on here because they want me to pay. If I pay, then that's how it's going to show the higher quality. But let's get to it. Hey, hey, y'all been waiting too long. Let's get it. Can y'all see? Perfect. All right. So today we will be learning a new language, guys. All right. Like I say, I know Spanish. I'm half Spanish. Hey, I knew French too because I took French 1 and 2. But did that really count? No. You wanna know why it didn't count? Because everybody cheated in. Come on. We're gonna start fresh. All right. New segment. Start from scratch. Let's get it. All right. So just a lesson a day, and then let's see where we at. Let's see where we at a month from now. Which one of these is one? Like I say, is um. I know a few. Is this okay? The volume not even up. All right. See, come on, that was easy. All right. All right, I got one more step. Which one of these is the man? Hmm. Which one of these is? I wonder which one is the man. I guess this. Lay home.
L'homme.
Wait.
Le chat.
L'homme.
L'homme. All right. L'homme.
Chat.
Shaw.
Chat.
This.
Chat.
This. All right. Shaw. Hey man. And then when I meet a French lady, it's gonna be over. That's one.
Un.
All right, we almost done.
Un homme.
And that means one man, but it's not one. I'm just gonna say I. Is it I man? Nah. It's just so that wouldn't make sense. I. Oh, okay. Let's just say I man. All right. That okay. That was common sense. Let's retry it. Okay. Let's go back. We can't even go back. All right. See, I know that kind of made sense though. Amen. Okay.
Le chat.
Le chat. Okay. Come on. See. Come on. The boy. Les garçons.
Le garçon.
Les garçons.
L'homme.
Wait.
Le garçon.
Les garçons. Ooh. Garçon. We just know garçon is boy. Un means one. I think et means is.
Garçon.
Yeah. Garçon.
Un garçon.
Shit, I'm not cheating. I'm posting a short. All right.
Un garçon.
Un garçon.
Un garçon.
That means a boy.
Garçon.
Hey.
Un chat et un garçon.
Un chat et un garçon. So the cat and the boy. Well, not the cat. A cat and a boy. Oh. See, look, I'm improving. Wait. Un chat et un garçon.
Un chat et un garçon.
Ooh. All right. Select the matching pairs. All right. Let me chat. I'm not cheating. Nah, I should have okay. Cat is chat.
Chat.
Boy is garçon.
Garçon.
Man is
Homme.
And is it.
Et.
And A is on. Come on. That's too easy. See, I'm doing good. See, I appreciate it. And is it. Because the T silent.
Et.
Wait.
Garçon. Et.
Right. Select the matching pairs. Man is on. The H is silent. See, they don't say the H. That's why. And is A. E. A is on.
Un.
See, on. Boy is garçon.
Garçon.
Garçon. Cat is Sure. They didn't even say one. Fill the blank. On blank it on. Sure. Wait. On home it on sure.
Homme.
So that means a man and a cat. See? Come on. Pairs. Boy. Garçon.
Garçon.
A. Wait, I'm going too fast. A is on, because I was about to say A. And is A.
E.
E. Man is
Homme.
cat is Shaw. They're still not saying the last one. Let's review the X. Yeah. See,
Un homme.
because I was going too fast. I said I man is a man. Anon. Anon. Come on, man. Lesson complete. So like every day we're gonna finish a lesson. How was the lesson for me? Did I do it good? You did great. Okay, thank you. So that just completes the lesson. See, now this is the thing. Then they're gonna start emailing you if you miss one day. I'm not gonna miss a day though. I can do it. 30 days. All right. We finished one. We finished one. All right. Which one should we do next? We can tier list or MLB. We can do tier list. All right. So just wait. All right. See, good eats. Where I don't think we did a cartoon yet. We did. Just didn't go through. It's loading. I see Amazing World of Gumball. We could. We could. See, perfect. See, because last time it was live. That's why I couldn't even scroll and put them in each column, in each row. All right. Top 3 Cartoon Network shows, regular show, Adventure Time, and Amazing World of Gumball. Obviously, you know, like Toad Drama Island. I think this is Alan. He's the main character. I'll say A. All right. Nias. B. Banana Joe. I'll say S2. Yeah. I don't even know who this is. Let's just rename it. Just said on our Robert. I think this Robert the robot. A. A. See. If y'all know game, that's what y'all do. I know. See. Boom. Boom. Then. Boom. Y'all know the game though. The cactus. B. I don't know the name. I don't remember the ghost name, but this is S. Everybody know the episode when she was in Gumball's body and Eden. This is, he's like Kirby. I don't know what's his name. The coach. A. The Potato Twins. I'd say C though. The construction worker C. Nicole's mom C. Darwin S. Hold on. I think we should do. I think we should do. I don't know if y'all gonna hear it though. Just got the barbecue on my hands. But yeah, we're gonna do background music so that it don't be that quiet. This is what you do though. Non-copyrighted background music. Doom. See? No, yeah, instrumental too. Yeah, instrumental. So that y'all can have something to hear. It's still loading. Let me check. All right, wait. The snapping turtle. Are we back? I don't know who this is. Rich is there. No, I'll say Ado. Hey, I don't know. I think it is right. I don't know, but hey, I don't know the name. Rich's mom. No, the background music getting annoying. Background getting. And then it's still loading. All right. Just don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Not a question. Main character. Don't know what this is. But hey, the giant. I'll say. No, actually. See. Wait, this is the other potato. I'm just gonna put them a little higher. This is the coach's daughter. No, I'm still say B. Beatbox. Larry. Mhm. We know Larry. We know everybody. That's a Larry. We know. Penny's cousin. I don't know the but I'm just going to Rich's husband. I'm just going to say C. Don't know who this is. Mom. B. The cloud. C. Miss Simeon, I think. A. Principal Brown, I think. A. Robinson. See, I'll just be remembering all the names. I'm going to say, what is his name? He's the guidance counselor, but I don't know. I don't know his name, but I'm going to say B though. I would say D, but it's like Gumball. She just like Squidward. Gumball and Darwin are annoying. So I'm going to say B. Nicole S. Wait. Oh, yeah. He be mad. I don't know the name though, but I'm going to say C.
You want this? Okay, no. You got to tell. Who put that? Hey, did somebody clean your
So, don't know who this is. Penny's dad. I'm going to say C though. Like I said, hey, I tried to do the background music because, I didn't want it to be just silent. But, that just didn't work. It wasn't even no good background music. And then it was loading slow. Penny is us. Nicole, is S. I'm just going to say all the main characters is S though, after we review. All right. Don't know. I don't know his name though. With the remote. D. Who is his dad? Mr. Robinson's son. The janitor. I'm gonna say B because he's funny. The ice cream. I'm gonna say C. The donut. I'm gonna say C. I don't even know what this is. They zoomed it out. The potato with the googly eyes. I never liked it. I'm just gonna say D. The paper. D. All right, let's just speed up. T-Rex. I think her name Tina. B. Tobias. C. Why is there two gumballs? Y'all see, right? I'm trying to scroll up. So who is this supposed to be? I'm just gonna say A. I don't know why it's two. But look, this is a valid list, right? Valid list. Hey, try to do background music. Didn't work. I don't even think this need to be changed though. I don't know what this is. They didn't even give no effort. Am I liking? No, I'm good. All right. Yeah, I don't know what this is actually. I think this is the mom, right? Him. But yeah, valid list. Okay. Boom. Segment. What? Is it going slow? Next segment. Okay. See, I already planned it. See how it's speeding through? Only been 34 minutes. Speed running. Next segment is this. I think y'all like this segment, right? Like I say, I know the quality. Day 2, keep going. What's up, Jaden? Yo, what's up? So day 2. No, I didn't. So next segment is MLB teams. I don't know any of them, so that's why I think it's gonna be fun. I think. All right, let's do the first one. All right, this would be fun because I don't know any, so it's gonna be fun. See, come on, best streaming. All right, you know a couple. That's good. It's not showing. They didn't even show a logo. All right, skip that. All right, we're gonna go back to the other one then. All right, come on. See, yeah, this is better. At least they have the logos on it. All right, let's start it. Like I said, I don't know none, so this should be fun. Now, if it was NBA NFL, you know, I'm gonna ace it. We can do hockey too. It's loading. Still loading. Right? Right here, right? They don't even give you no options. Like they should at least say option A, B, C, D, then I can guess. But no. So skip back again.
Every year.
All right.
Same thing, I wanna go somewhere. I can't go, no, I couldn't
It's
go.
still not doing it. So hey. Guess what could have been a good segment. See, they're starting to sell me. Let's dumb it down for them because they don't understand it. We need it with at least the answers like ABC. Then I can know. Okay. Press. See, they're selling me. They don't want me to win. Because they knew this was going to be a good segment. They knew I'm trying. How can I play the game without any answers that I don't even know? So we're gonna try this one more time. If not, we're going to the next segment. Like NBA, like logos, right? With answers, just put answers on it. Cause how am I gonna know if I don't know them at all? See, okay, yo, look, just like this. This is good. Yeah. All right. So we found it. So this is why you can't give up. You just keep going every day. We found it. Let's go. So it's loading. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on. Come on, just wait. Oh no, wait. Hold on. All right, cause it's gonna make me try to sign in. So let's sign off real quick and then we're gonna go back. That's it. See? If they could just make it like just smart and like I said, this is not how the camera looks. I got a good quality camera, right? That's why it looks like blurry to y'all, but it's not blurry to me. Because if I flip the camera, because it's only showing y'all 720, but it's showing me 1080. So y'all don't have to explain it to y'all, though, but y'all don't know. All right, just start. All right, see it now. Y'all trying to rush. Like, come on, this vibe. Y'all don't even know. Yeah, like y'all know these. Like, come on, we all don't know these. All right, let's go. All right, let me show it. They always try to see, but this is the thing though. This is how they get you. They always want you to sign in with your emails, so then they can start spamming the emails. All right, let's go. We back. This gonna be a good segment. It's gonna be a good segment. Hey, appreciate the follow. Thanks for the follow. Emmy. Thanks for the follow. No, just like I'm just trying to breathe. I'm trying. Why can't I just do this on my own? I don't understand it. It's just like, come on. It's like, is this so? Okay, we're just gonna go to the next segment because they see. I thought it was gonna be fun. It's not. They already make, See, it is. Oh wait. Okay, let's try this. But yeah, this is actually the last time because I'm actually about to just do another segment because see, then they say preview, but we can't start the game. Yes and no. I mean, yeah, I'm new because I just started back, but I started like 20. Basically, I've been doing this for 3 years, really. But I'm new to this really this year. See, yeah, this is how they supposed to do this. Okay. I think this the Yankees, right? It gotta be. If that answer your question, I mean, this gives me memories. I remember in high school, my teacher used to make us do quizzes just like this, and then mascot logo. I don't know how to do that. What team is this? This looks like the Astros. Did I get that wrong? I wasn't even paying attention. Wait, am I frozen? Oh, okay. So yeah, we'll see. Just teach me how to do it, then I'll do it. I got that right. Okay. Yeah, make one from. Is it showing your? Okay, I'm gonna say stomps. Cause with me, it's showing me the ant. I'm doing them, but when can y'all see me answering this or no? Oh no, cause on this it's just showing play. Yeah, I got. It's just the same name. It's the same name on all platforms. All right, so we quit it. Wow. What? Oh my. Chat. I'm losing my mind slowly. Like I'm sharing. So I'm doing the whole thing, right? I'm doing the whole thing. But y'all can't see because that's what I kept saying. Can y'all see this? But y'all can't. I'm losing my mind. Okay. I'm losing my mind slowly. I'm thinking that y'all could see, but y'all can't. So I'm doing the whole thing, but y'all can't even see it. That's why I'm like, why isn't it showing? Okay. I'll have to see it. So now can y'all see? Okay, now y'all can see. All right. Come on, I don't know, man. What's going on with me? You telling me the whole time I'm doing it and just didn't share the whole screen. What team is this? Look like this one. Probably because I already answered a few and y'all didn't see. So yeah. It's the Dodgers over easy. Come on. Now we starting. GR Garcia. This look like the Rockies. I'm guessing I'm not cheating. I actually don't know what these are. See, you're cheating. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. I'm just guessing. Yeah, this is the Blue Jay. This is easy. This is an animal. Okay. I guess it's Phillies, right? No, I'm not cheating though. See, yeah, okay, see, look. See, look, now you're saying I'm cheating. Okay. This Nationals. Alright. See, the streak is going. See, this card really. OC mascot. Alright. But I still don't know what that is though. I'm gonna say Orioles. Alright. You got that wrong. Come on, there it is. How I'm doing, chat. Do y'all know these two? It's look like a snake, so I'm gonna say D-backs. And that's easy. Washington Reds. I have to check. I'm gonna check after who plays third base. I don't know. And now they're giving me hard questions. Who's the right fielder? I don't know. I'm just gonna say this. Okay. But this is a fun segment though. Am I done? Yes. Submit it. Okay. Where the Gators live? I don't know. Alright. There's a quick little segment, but guess what? The next segment, and I forgot to say the intro too. It's up here. I was losing my mind. I don't know. I'm gonna attempt this. Okay. They said yeah. Alright, so I'm on it. I'm gonna see. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. Okay. But that was a quick little segment of that. Now, my specialty, the moment y'all been waiting for. This is my specialty. This is what we really came here for. We're gonna do reactions. Come on. Hashtag best reaction streamer, hashtag best reacting YouTuber in the chat. This is what we all came here for. Come on, y'all love to listen to me, y'all. I know. So let's get it. And like I say, it's showing the low quality. Cause they. All right, y'all see it? All right, so I'm on it, right? I still don't see nothing because I'm in my server, right? I'm in the server and it's not showing nothing. Okay. So, yeah, everybody, y'all join up. Speaking of servers, y'all join up the Discord. My name on all platforms. Am I lagging? Am I here? Hold on. Check. All right. Moment on Discord. Or just send it on TikTok. My name is everywhere the same. All right. What's up, YouTube? What's up, family? What's up, newcomers? Y'all see the title? Let's get to it. What dying on every planet would be like. This would be good. All right, can y'all hear?
Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, but if you think that means hot all the time, you're wrong. At night, temperatures can plummet to an icy minus 180 degrees Celsius. During the day, however, they can skyrocket to 430 degrees Celsius. This extreme imbalance happens because Mercury doesn't have a proper atmosphere to regulate temperature. Instead, it has a very thin exosphere, which doesn't maintain heat. While apart from temperature, you wouldn't have to worry about weather on Mercury, the real dangers come from solar radiation and the lack of breathable air. In fact, Mercury gets almost 7 times the solar irradiance that Earth receives.
But the thing is, nobody don't really know this though, because you see, I'm smart. Venus is actually the hottest. They think Mercury is.
As the
'cause that's
smallest planet in the
closest
solar
to
system, Mercury is full of craters, cliffs, and bumpy terrain, making it a pretty tough
Come on.
place to land as well. The low air resistance
Yeah,
doesn't help
smart.
either. It would make slowing down a spaceship much harder, increasing the chances of a high-speed crash. Landing during the daytime is out of the question because of the extreme heat. The latest NASA spacesuits can only handle up to 121 degrees Celsius, nowhere near Mercury's daytime temperatures of 400.
The opportunities for a
Did you have
cybersecurity
to
professional
do the
are near.
PI University cybersecurity graduate Aaron.
I needed the
Did you have to? Like, it's not
430
even in
degrees
it yet.
Celsius. Plus, keep in mind that Mercury's day lasts about half a year due to its slow rotation. Nighttime isn't much better. Temperatures of minus 180 degrees Celsius far exceed NASA suit's lower limit of minus 157 degrees Celsius, so you'd still freeze. Your best bet.
But I think that that's good though. Shit, y'all can call me crazy, but this would be the best case because look, at least when it's nighttime, it's not that hot though. So it's like, okay, at night, at least you got some coolness. See, y'all don't understand though.
That would be
It's
to
low.
try landing in the Terminator zone, the area between day and night where temperatures are more moderate. Even there, however, it can be risky, as temperatures can change relatively quickly. Venus. Venus is the closest planet to Earth, sitting just 40 million kilometers away. This means the journey there would be relatively short, about 4 months. Its size and gravity wouldn't pose much of a problem, as they're pretty similar to Earth's. The first real issue you'd face, though, would be those beautiful yellow clouds you'd see as you approached the surface. Unfortunately, they're made of sulfuric acid, a highly corrosive substance that would destroy your.
Yeah, that's the thing. If y'all paid attention in science, right? Because you know, math used to be my favorite, obviously, but then you know it's not because as you, what is that word? As you advance, but it's not even advance. As you just move on to the next grade, it gets harder. Then they start teach you random nonsense. Like, come on, like real niggas don't do that though. Real niggas know. Unless you going to school to be a mechanic or something or a construction worker, we don't need to know or measure no distance. What we need to know is because you know, like I think school for everything. Like when I was 7 years old, I mastered how to see like this is a quick yap. So see everybody spam me yap. See, because y'all know. This is why I love y'all, because y'all know me. So quick yap session. Y'all get snacks because this is about to be a little minute. And you see how this is an 8-minute video? I might just turn it to 30 because actually I'm starting smiling and I'm getting out. So the thing is, boom. Don't mind the background on them. Okay. So I like to thank school because it taught me, like at the age of 7, I knew how to write cursive. I mastered all the ABCs front and back. I knew how to write a letter. I knew how to read time at the age of 6. I'm just a gifted child. I knew everything. I knew how to skate when I was 7. And the reason why, because I just kept falling. And that hurt it on the field trip. You know, that's just a little something though, but that's just a little off topic. But the thing is with the Mercury, right? It's a cloudless planet, so it's just mostly clouds, if y'all didn't know that.
Destroy your lungs in seconds. But let's assume you've got a spacesuit advanced enough to filter it out. As you descend to the surface, you'd notice visibility dropping drastically. The atmosphere becomes incredibly thick, made mostly of carbon dioxide, so you wouldn't be able to see much. Then there's the heat, unbearable 450 degrees Celsius. If that wasn't enough, only about 10% of the sunlight reaches the surface, as it's blocked by the thick atmosphere, so it'd be pretty dark. On the surface, moving your arms and legs would be a serious struggle. Even though gravity is nearly the same as on Earth, the air is so dense you'd feel like you're wading through a heavy liquid. With a good pressurized suit, you might last a few seconds down there, but before long, the pressure, about 92 bars compared to Earth's 1 bar at sea level, would crush your suit. And if that didn't kill you, the sulfuric acid you'd start breathing once your suit broke definitely would. Mars. Mars.
Yeah, you call me crazy though, but I think I would survive there, right? I think so. Because guess what? All you just need is to just breathe. That's it. And then a good suit. Because even though when it just starts cracking, just hold your breath. Easy.
Mars is the second closest planet to Earth and the most habitable of all 8 planets. Daytime temperatures are much less extreme compared to Mercury and Venus, reaching up to a relatively comfortable 20 degrees Celsius. However, the real challenge comes at night, or in certain parts of the planet, where temperatures can drop as low as minus 153 degrees Celsius. Another big issue, similar to Mercury, is Mars's incredibly thin atmosphere.
Are you a lonely man with nothing
They're the
going
best
on?
way
Why
to
not learn how
get-
to code? DevSource is the only coding
But that's
academy
what
out there that
YouTube
teaches you to
wants.
earn
They
income
want
while
you
learn
to
how to
pay
code.
for the ad blocker. I'm not paying for the ad blocker.
Atmosphere. It's mostly made up of carbon dioxide, with only trace amounts of oxygen, meaning there's not that much breathable air. This thin atmosphere also results in low pressure and high levels of radiation exposure, both of which are incredibly dangerous. The average natural radiation level on Mars is 24 to 30 rads, which is about 40 to 50 times the average on Earth. On top of that, Mars experiences frequent and extremely violent dust storms, with wind speeds reaching up to 100 kilometers per hour. These storms could pose.
Yeah, that's gonna be a problem though. Right? Keep pausing again, be ready for the yacht. Hey, at least you know. So the thing is, that's the only problem, the dust. If y'all know, like if y'all ever been outside, like that's one of the worst feelings. Obviously, you know, like we got the toothaches and the headaches. Having sand in your eye, y'all don't understand the pain. That's all that I'm gonna say. Because if the wind is moving 62 miles and is not stopping, like come on.
Pose serious challenges,
That's
so
gonna be
any
a
attempt at
problem.
habitation would require a sustainable, airtight, and well-insulated life support system. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet out of the 8, and it's one of the hardest planets to land on, primarily because of its extreme radiation levels. Even 300,000 kilometers away, the radiation would start penetrating.
And y'all didn't know, like real niggas know that Jupiter got rings. Y'all don't know that. It got rings, but y'all can't see it. Now this is gonna be the problem though. You see this spot right here? I think this is like the great spot. I don't know what is this called. I don't know if they got volcano. I think they got volcanoes on it too. But yeah, you can't land on it because it's a cloudless planet.
Penetrating your suit and you'd be done for. But since that's a boring outcome, let's assume you have a hypothetical suit that can block the radiation. Jupiter's gravity is 2.4 times stronger than Earth's, meaning you'd be falling incredibly fast. As you enter the first layers of the atmosphere, you'd encounter white clouds made of frozen ammonia crystals with temperatures around minus 150 degrees Celsius. The winds here are no joke, reaching insane speeds of up to 482 kilometers per hour. If you manage to descend about 150 kilometers through these top layers, you'd reach the deepest point ever explored. This is how far NASA's Galileo probe got back in 1995. Beyond this point, things start getting darker, and both temperature and pressure increase rapidly. Just as a fun fact, the pressure near Jupiter's center is estimated to be about 100 million times Earth's atmospheric pressure. After hours of falling, you might reach Jupiter's inner layers, where you'd encounter a supercritical fluid.
After hours of falling, but I feel like how many planets is it? Is 8, right? Yeah, so it's 8 planets, right? I feel like the last 4 would be a higher chance of living because it's colder. Let's just think. Would you rather live on a hot planet that will boil you, or a cold planet that will freeze you? Because you're gonna be there anyway. But I'll just rather pick The cold ones. Exactly.
a state that's not quite liquid but not gas either. Here, you'd kind of be swimming in this bizarre substance. If you continued further toward the center, you'd encounter metallic hydrogen, an extremely dense liquid that would trap you. But if you somehow managed to get through that, you'd reach Jupiter's core, though we're not entirely sure if it's solid or not. The temperatures here would be about 24,000 degrees Celsius, roughly 4.5 times hotter than the sun's surface. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system, with an atmosphere primarily made of hydrogen and helium. The first challenge would be avoiding a crash with one of its 146 orbiting moons. Once you manage that, you'd encounter its iconic rings, which are made of debris from old moons, ice pellets, comets, and asteroids. Let's assume you're either an incredibly skilled pilot or your spaceship indestructible, so you don't meet your end by smashing into space junk. As you approach Saturn's equator, you'd witness an incredible spectacle of red and purple auras caused by highly energetic hydrogen in the atmosphere.
Nah, that would look cool though. That would. I think Saturn's like the best, obviously, besides Earth. Right? No, let me just rewind. I think Saturn is the best non-living planet. Like, look at the rings and all of that, and its colors too. But you won't land on it because it's cloudless and all.
However, this beauty comes with a catch. Hurricane-force winds blasting at speeds of around 1,800 kilometers per hour would make it nearly impossible to stay steady. Trying to enter from the North Pole wouldn't be any better. Up there, you'd face a massive storm so large you could fit 2 Earths inside it. This region also has ammonia clouds, similar to Jupiter's, and temperatures that can plummet to a bone-chilling minus 250 degrees Celsius. As you fall deeper,
Supercharge your business with the all-new Shopify point of sale, the all-in-one POS solution built
deeper through the layers of clouds, the temperatures would start to rise again, eventually reaching 0 degrees Celsius. At this point, while the cold becomes less of an issue, pressure becomes your biggest enemy. It increases to levels comparable to the deepest parts of Earth's ocean.
Shut. Excuse it. Just hang on. You know. Excuse it, but you know that this wrong uncut though. Raw uncut. I don't know where we at, but we rewinded
150 degrees Celsius. As you fall deeper through the layers of clouds, the temperatures would start to rise again, eventually reaching 0 degrees Celsius. At this point, while the cold becomes less of an issue, pressure becomes your biggest enemy. It increases to levels comparable to the deepest parts of Earth's oceans. Continuing further, the gases around you would transition into a liquid state. If you somehow survived long enough to reach the center of Saturn, you'd encounter its molten rocky core, which is about 10 times the size of Earth. Temperatures here reach a scorching 11,700 degrees Celsius, more than twice as hot as the sun's surface, with pressure.
But this is the thing though. How would they know, right? Like, how could you know what temperature other planets is? How would you know though? There's no way any spaceship or anything could go. And then he just said it. You can't even go, you can't land on there. So how would you know how hot it is?
Pressure 1,000 times greater Earth's, Uranus. This is where planets start getting really far from Earth, making the journey incredibly long. Uranus is one of the 2 ice giants and the only planet in the solar system that's on it. Also rotates fasting just 17 Earth hours. By the way, being an ice giant doesn't mean the planet is a solid ball of ice. Instead, it means it's primarily composed of elements heavier than hydrogen and helium. Like Saturn, you'd need to avoid crashing into its rings. Once you pass them, you'd find yourself surrounded by toxic gas, and the temperature would drop rapidly to below minus 200 degrees Celsius. This makes it the coldest planet in the solar system. If the freezing cold and poisonous atmosphere didn't get you, you'd descend through the first layer of the atmosphere. Here, things get even worse. The air becomes dense, and you'd be pelted by ice pellets. Eventually, you'd reach something truly spectacular.
Like, that would be the best thing though, because like I already told you, I would rather be on a non-livable cold planet than a hot one. That's easy. Like, and then look, it got snow on it. like, but the only thing is it is the farthest planet, so it's going to take years to land on it. So
Spectacular. A rain of
that's why
diamonds, driven by winds of up to 900 kilometers per hour. But once again, there's a catch. The pressure here is about 100 times greater than Earth's, which would ultimately crush you. Neptune. Neptune is the second ice giant after Uranus, and its composition is very similar. Being the farthest planet from the Sun, 30 times farther than Earth, it's incredibly dark. Like Uranus, Neptune is extremely cold in its outer layers, but the inner layers are intensely hot due to immense pressure and heat from its core. Matter of fact, its core is about 7,000 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the Sun's surface. It also experiences the famous diamond rain, caused by high pressure breaking down methane and forming solid
So it
diamonds.
rains diamonds
Neptune's
on there
winds are
too.
among the strongest in the solar system, reaching supersonic speeds. In many ways, it's basically a twin of Uranus, so there isn't much to add. If you liked this video, subscribe for similar ones.
Okay, you know, that was a good little video. Ain't gonna lie. What do we learn here? What do we learn? Right? Which ones you could survive on, right? All right. Now I already told you. Okay, out of the 8, just pick 2. Which ones would y'all rather? Which ones would y'all rather live on? I already told you. I live on Uranus and probably Jupiter though. No wait, that's too hot. I'm just gonna live on the cold ones. I already told you. Okay. Oh wait, let me do the outro. No wait, do I say outros? Wait, I just said the outro. All right. Shit, chat. I'm losing. Slowly losing my mind. Just water it down. You know, I'm still drinking it. Though. So I actually got another video that we can react to. See, I'm prepared. Why is this not showing? Okay. I'm trying to find it. Okay, so I found one. Chat. Once again, let me just show you, right? The reason why the quality is so bad because it's 720, right? And the reason why it's 720 is because they just gave me a 720, even though this can go to 180, 1080. Now, the reason why they gave me 720 is because they want you to pay for the plan so that it can be 1080. We already experienced what just happened on the last thing, right? And then on the other app that I was using, it just kept even though it was 1080, it just kept lagging. Then you already know the story. I had to keep turning on and off the hotspot doing that. But this one runs smoother, but it's only 720 though. All right. Oh wait, no, I'm on the wrong one. I'm on the wrong one. Like I said, told you, I got 2 phones. These are my monitors. See, my phones are my monitors. Look, left, right. All right. So, what's good, YouTube? Wait. Hold on. Wait, we just. All right. But like I said, I told y'all I'd be fresh every day. Y'all just don't know. You can only see the top half because the laptop is right here. So, What's good, YouTube? What's up, everybody? What's up, newcomers? Y'all see the title. Places that shouldn't exist, but do. Let's go.
To it. Number 10. Fly Geyser. In the middle of the Nevada desert stands something that looks like it was stolen from an alien planet. And the crazy thing is, this whole natural wonder was a complete accident. Back in 1964, a company was drilling for geothermal power. They messed up and didn't seal their well properly. Instead of fixing it, they just abandoned it. Then something incredible started happening. The minerals in the hot water began building up. Year after year, they created these bizarre, colorful towers. Now it's about 6 feet tall and constantly spits boiling water into the air. The whole structure looks like a psychedelic castle. It's marked with bright reds and greens from the algae growing in the hot water. Hundreds of tiny pools reflect the sky like mirrors. At night, it transforms into something even more surreal. Steam rises from these colorful spires under the stars. It kind of looks like a portal to another dimension. Number 9. Cappadocia's Fairy Chimneys. Imagine walking through a landscape that looks like it's straight out of Star Wars. Giant stone pillars shoot up from the ground like mushrooms. Some are as tall as 10-story buildings. This is in Cappadocia, Turkey. But this was all made by nature. About 30 million years ago, volcanoes covered this whole area in ash and lava.
Wow.
The ash turned into soft rock.
But it's good, though, because, like, nature is good. I already told you.
And harder rock
Nature
formed
is
on
great.
top. Then wind and rain went to work. The soft rock eroded
like
faster than the hard stuff on
Michelle, I
top,
know that.
creating these weird rock towers with flat caps, like stone mushrooms. People looked at these rocks and thought, hey, we could live in these. So they carved entire cities inside them. We're talking homes, churches, and underground cities that could hide thousands of people. Some of these cave houses are still being used today as hotels. The best way to see all this is from a
Y'all
hot air
visited?
balloon.
Yes or no?
Every morning, hundreds of balloons float over this alien landscape at sunrise. From up there, it looks like you're floating over another planet. Number 8.
Stop your feet up, clap your hands and join us. Come on, get down with us.
Nobody don't care about
The cave that shouldn't exist. Deep in the jungles of Vietnam, there's a cave that's so big it doesn't make sense. It's called Hong Son Dong, and it breaks every rule of what a cave should be. Imagine an underground space so massive you could fit a New York City block inside it, complete with 40-story skyscrapers. That's how big this cave is. But size isn't even the craziest part. This cave has its own weather system. Clouds actually form inside the cave. 2 giant holes in the cave's ceiling let sunlight pour in. This has created actual
Chat, I don't know if y'all can hear that. It's music in the background. YouTube. Don't start it. Don't even copyright it. Like, come on,
jungles
this is
growing
all-
underground.
Please.
There are entire forests
This is
growing
all-
inside
I
this
know
cave.
your
The
favorite.
cave also has some of the biggest stalagmites
Yes
in the
and no,
world.
don't
There are
get
stone spikes
copyrighted.
taller than a 20-story
Come on.
building here. To get there, you
I
have
don't
to
know if
trek
y'all
through
can hear
dense
it.
jungle and cross underground rivers. They only let 1,000 people visit each year, and the tickets are super expensive. Number 7. The Cotton Castle of Turkey. Imagine a place that looks like someone froze a giant waterfall made of clouds. That's Pamukkale in Turkey. Its name literally means cotton castle in Turkish. The whole mountainside is
Yeah,
covered
that
in
was
white,
cool,
terraced
though.
pools
I'll
filled with
visit
bright
it.
blue water. And this isn't some man-made attraction. It's completely natural, unlike most
That's-
thing in your
that's
Instagram
even
feed.
better.
Here's how it works. Hot springs
even
underground
better.
are full of minerals. When this water flows down the mountain, it leaves behind calcium deposits. Over thousands of years, these deposits built up to create these amazing white terraces, kind of like what happens to your shower head, but prettier. The water stays at a constant temperature of about 95 degrees, which is about 35 in Celsius, and it's full of minerals that people believe can heal all sorts of illnesses. The ancient
I think that's good, though. I would visit them. I'm not going to really visit them. I'm just saying, like, I would visit. Y'all know what I don't have to explain to y'all. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, I would visit it, but I wouldn't, though. Like, out of all those that they said, I would visit it. See, now y'all spamming question mark. Okay, y'all don't understand them. But I would visit it. Y'all still don't know. But that'd be good, though. And I do believe that it do heal illnesses. Any natural thing do.
Ancient Romans built an entire
And it's
city
like
called
a mile
Hierapolis right on
high.
top of it. You
Water.
can still explore the ruins today while relaxing in these natural pools. UNESCO had to make it a
long
World
as it's
Heritage
clean
site
and it's
because
not like all
honestly,
that.
a mountain that looks like it's made of frozen clouds shouldn't exist. but it does. Number 6. The Giant's Causeway. Imagine walking along the coast of Northern Ireland and stumbling upon what looks like a giant's game of hexagonal Tetris. That's exactly what the Giant's Causeway is. It's about
that looks
40,000
good,
stone
too.
columns all packed together like a massive honeycomb. And these aren't just rough rocks, they're perfect hexagons. 6-sided
Perfect.
columns that fit together so perfectly
that.
you'd think someone
Okay.
built them. But this is completely natural. About 60
Natural?
million years ago, a massive volcanic eruption sent hot lava bursting through the ground. As it cooled down, the lava cracked in this weird, perfect pattern, creating these hexagonal columns that look way too perfect to be natural. Some
P.S. If y'all didn't know what lava and magma is the same thing, it's just on different terms. So lava is magma, but just on ground, it's a different. See, I told you, I'm just a smart nigga, intelligent. But
Some
you know,
of these columns tower nearly 40 feet
Yeah.
high. They start at the cliff and create this strange staircase that disappears into the ocean. The locals tell a different story. They say a giant named Finn McCool built it as a bridge to Scotland to fight another giant. Number 5. Socotra Island. Imagine finding a place on Earth that looks like it's from another planet. That's Socotra Island, sitting alone in the Arabian Sea. The star of the show here is the dragon blood tree. They look like an umbrella, and when you cut them, they bleed dark red sap. The trees actually
yeah, I
bleed
heard
red.
about this.
Then there's the bottle tree. It looks like someone buried a giant turnip upside down and left just the top sticking out. 37% of the plants here don't exist anywhere else on Earth. The landscape is just as bizarre as the plants. White sand beaches sit right next to caves and sand dunes. The island even has its own ancient civilization with their own language. They've been living here for centuries. But this island is under threat, because invasive species are slowly taking over this paradise. Number 4. The Danakil Depression. Let me tell you about a place in Ethiopia that feels like it's from another planet. It's called the Danakil Depression. Imagine the hottest place you've ever been. Now make it hotter.
Hottest place. Everywhere is the hottest place. You know, I'm from Florida. It's humid and it's hot. So everywhere. Everywhere, basically.
We're talking about temperatures up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to cook an egg on the ground, and yourself, if you're not careful. This place sits 100 meters below sea level, where 3 giant pieces of Earth's crust are slowly pulling apart. What's left is a landscape that looks like something from a sci-fi movie. You've got pools of bright yellow and orange water that look like they're glowing. These aren't your typical hot springs. They're full of sulfur and other minerals that create these alien colors. And then there's the volcano. It's called Erta Ale. It's got one of the few permanent lava lakes in the world. Picture standing at the edge of a pit filled with bubbling molten rock. It's like looking into hell itself. The craziest part is that people actually live here. The Afar people have called this place home for thousands of years. They mine salt from the ground in temperatures that would make most people pass out. Number 3. The Gates of Hell. In the middle of nowhere,
Yeah, you see, that's the thing, though. Because they used to it, that's why.
in the deserts of Turkmenistan, there's a giant hole that's been on fire for over 40 years. Back in the 1970s, some Soviet scientists were drilling for oil, but they messed up, big time, which, let's be honest, is kind of a Soviet tradition. They accidentally drilled into a huge pocket of natural gas. The ground collapsed, creating this massive crater. The crater was spewing toxic gas everywhere, so these scientists had this brilliant idea. Let's set it on fire. It'll burn out in a few weeks. But it never stopped burning. This thing has been shooting flames non-stop ever since. At night, it looks like someone opened a portal to hell in the middle of the desert. The government has tried to put it out multiple times, but the gates of hell just keep on burning. Surprisingly, tourists actually come to see this thing, because apparently, some people's idea of a fun vacation is standing next to a
Oh, I was about to say, what could they do with the rain? I'm like, okay, the rain not gonna help.
giant burning pit in the middle of nowhere. 2. The Wave. In Arizona, there's this place that looks like someone took a giant paintbrush and painted waves in the rock, but it's completely natural. Imagine walking through the desert and suddenly coming across what looks like a frozen ocean wave made of a red, orange, and yellow stone. That's the Wave. This masterpiece was created over millions of years. Wind and water slowly carved out these perfect wave patterns in the sandstone. Different minerals in the rock created those amazing colors. The lines are so symmetrical and smooth. It's hard to believe nature made this without any help. It looks more like digital art than a real place. But here's the catch. They only let 64 people visit per day, and you need to win a lottery to get a permit. If you're lucky enough to win, you still have to hike over 6 miles through unmarked desert to get there. But people say it's worth it. Number 1, Avatar Mountains. In China, there's this place called Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, and it looks like something from another planet. Picture this. Huge stone pillars shooting straight up into the sky. We're talking about rocks taller than the Empire State Building, and there's not just a few of them. There's an entire forest of these giant stone towers. These pillars formed over millions of years. This whole area used to be underwater. Then, as the softer rock eroded away, these massive towers were left behind. These pillars aren't just bare rock. They're covered in trees and plants growing right out of the stone. When the fog rolls in, the tops of these pillars look like they're floating in the clouds. This place looks so unreal that James Cameron used it as inspiration for the floating mountains in Avatar. One of the pillars is even officially named Avatar Hallelujah Mountain now. That's all for today. I'll be making...
Okay. Very interesting. But I would, like I told you, I would not visit, but which one would I rather go? That place with the ice. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's make sure that this is good. All right. Check. Testing. 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 Hey, y'all know that clip from SpongeBob though. Shout out Patrick. This will be the last segment of the day. You already know we're gonna read random stories on Reddit. Hey, y'all make sure y'all get yourself a let me make up something. Make a sandwich with barbecue Lay's chips. Then get some trolleys. All right, let's go. I'm trying to found it. See now, yesterday, y'all know what happened yesterday. All right, let's refresh it. See if we got any new ones. Still loading. All right. Hang on. I think it was. See. Yeah, see what I got to deal with, right? Let's just say Reddit random. Let's see what I got to deal with, right? Okay. All right. So it's not no new ones today. We read the first two, right? So let's go to this one. All right. Hey, I already told y'all, get yourself some juice too, because you're about to go. All right. Am I back? Can y'all see? Okay. Right. Are we good? We good? All right. Y'all know I'm a good reader. WWC, everybody spamming W. All right, let's get it. My name is not Alyssa. Okay. So one time when, wait, let me have the mic. All right. Wait, sure. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's get in the character. Let's get in the character real quick. See? A little nighttime story. You know. All right. Okay. So one time when I was in the 6th grade, my school took all of the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders on a field trip to a Raptors 905 game. Okay. Basically, there were teachers walking around in the halls outside of the stadium so that if you went to get food, you didn't get kidnapped or lost or something. Okay. So a few friends and I went to go get some food. We went to the Poutine. Oh yeah, I know it. Oh, that's what y'all call it. We call it the canteen stand. And when the guy asked what my name was for the order, I said with full confidence, Eliza. My friend looked at me weird, but we just kept going in line because it was kind of long. See, the thing is, y'all don't know. Y'all not supposed to use your real name if y'all ordering. Use a fake name. It don't matter. We were in the line waiting for the Poutine when the guy called Eliza for the order. So I went up to get it, but there was another girl there from a different school. Don't mind the background. I can't even have myself talk. A girl whose name was actually Eliza, she looked at me and I looked at her. I can't remember exactly, but she said something like, "Is this yours?" I was like, "I think so." She asked me if my name was Eliza, and I said, "Yeah." She was like, "No way, my name's Eliza too. What did you order?" I told her what I ordered, and in some coincidence, she ordered the same thing. My friends were standing by me when this was happening, so they were trying not to laugh. The real Eliza asked me how I spelled my name, and so quick as I could think, I said Alyssa. I ended up taking the poutine, and Eliza came up to me and said, "Yeah, I think that one was yours." I don't think it was though, because I'm pretty sure she was in line before me. Anyway, that was a really weird experience. Okay, shout out Eliza. What do we learn from this? Like I say, y'all should know how to y'all reading level should be 12th grade, right? Everybody's. So what do we learn here? Somebody named Eliza was not really her name because another Eliza that was her real name, she gave it to her. And yeah, this is why I say if you're gonna use a fake name, just remember that's what we learned here. One more story, then we out of here. Okay. All right. W Reader. All right, thank you. Saw the same guy that I used to cross paths with after 5 years. Did I really? You getting the character. So 2017, I started working at a company in south of my city, which required train travel. Riding the train. My opinion on trains. I mean, it's faster, but yeah, it's fair. I was gonna say just take the car, but I don't know. I will usually leave by 8:30 a.m. on the way to the station. And every morning at the same junction, just before I reached the station, I would cross paths with a guy. He would be coming here as his office would be in the area where I stayed. Every morning for 2.5 years, I crossed paths with this guy. For the first few months, I didn't even pay attention. I usually walk looking down or I'm listening to something and engross. See? That's what some people do. They walk looking down because, you have to be aware of your surroundings, but you still have to look up. Because what if you just ran into somebody or ran into a pole? See? One day I noticed this guy and he was already looking at me, which may have meant that he must see me from a distance. He kept looking even as we crossed each other. That could mean two things, though. It's either the aura. Yeah, I just think that it's just aura or he just don't like y'all. I was super weirded out. That is weirded out to me, but I got used to it because everywhere I step, everybody just keeps staring at me. I mean, I don't know. I'm just me. Right. Next day, repeat. Now I am not. No, I'm not a girl who gets a double back when people pass her. Yeah, y'all don't know what that means though. So this was super freaky to me. You see, I love how she's using periods and commas. Y'all know what happened yesterday, right? When we just kept, they didn't even putting on periods or nothing. It just kept going with nothing. Only thing which made this a non-creepy thing was he didn't have to stare. He just looked. Sometimes he would tear his eyes away and look at the ground for a few seconds, look up again. As you may have guessed, by now I am also observing him as much. Now it's becoming a normal thing. We pass each other, look at each other. That's good though. It's not good, but I guess that's just the same routine. Some days there is another girl with him. Some days he's clean shaved, look really weird by the way, wanted to tell him. Then I am thinking to myself, is it weird? He's probably my age. He looks good. Maybe I should smile at him one day. Say hi. At least acknowledge that we know each other now. But the day never comes, as my anxiety at pro max level. See, yeah, that's the thing. Everybody got anxiety, but others just got it hard on. You know, but you see, that's just normal. That just goes to show you that we just humans. We do get nervous. But even if you're nervous, fellas, just still go talk to the girl because, you know, the worst that they can say no. Actually, the worst that they can say is not no. Let's just hope that she only says no, though. Okay. 2019 comes and I move on from the job in that route. Then COVID-19 happened. I got married, moved jobs. COVID was a terrible place, terrible time. However, people made the best of it. Now they're millionaires and they TikTok famous because we all was in the house all day. 2025, I just remember him out the blue. I said to myself, if I see him now, I'll definitely say hi, assuming he still remembers me. Otherwise, I'll be the creep. You didn't even have to do that. LOL. And today, just near my house, I seen him while I was riding back home on my bike. I slowed down a bit, tried to see in the side mirrors, but I am not sure. I think it was him, based on the countless times I see him walk from afar. In the way he held his office bag. Again, my anxiety peaked, and I didn't stop to say hello. But I am wondering again. What does TL mean? TLDR. I don't know what that means. Basically, I used to cross paths with a guy every morning for 2 years on the way to work. We never spoke a word. You see, yeah, this is what females do, though. That's, yeah, y'all think we just normal. I guarantee you he wasn't trying to look at you. I told you. I really would have liked to at least smile and say good morning, just acknowledge at least. Kept thinking about him over the last few years. If I see him now, assuming he hasn't switched jobs, I would say hi. Maybe I saw him there. I was on the bike, he walked in, but didn't stop. Anxiety kept in, left the mystery a mystery. See? That's good, though. You didn't have to try to override the weirdness and awkwardness. See? You were just vibing. Hey, it's been 2 years. No, actually, it's been like 6 years since y'all seen each other. You don't know if he remembers you. If you do, that's cool. And you just said you're married. So why are you even worried about it, though? But that's a good story. All right. Okay. All right, chat. W stream. Everybody spam W stream in the chat. You know. See, look, I'm not even flexing, though. This is the thing. Look, I'm not flexing. Man, I'll tell you, fellas, just do the push-ups. I do like 100 to 200 every day. Different variations, too. It's not just the normal. Because, normal is easy. You got to do the declines. That's really something, but everybody spam www. Love y'all. All right. Y'all know I love y'all though. Like for real though. Y'all do.